lost when you don't chase it. What you looking at me for? Should be looking at bankroll. Money get lost when you don't chase it. What you looking at me for? Should be looking at bankroll. Money get lost when you don't chase it. What you looking at me for? Should be looking at bankroll. Money get lost when you don't chase it. What you looking at me for? Should be looking at bankroll.
I'll be showing y'all how to borrow this shrimp. So for starters, first you need to prep your shrimp. Make sure you put it in a bowl, let it sit for like 30 minutes in some water. And after that, I'll show y'all how to cut it, prep it, and peel out your stem. Okay, now that your shrimp is in the bowl, which I'm letting y'all know they stink. They big stink. Boy, this one smell like Hong Kong market. That's why I hate always going to Hong Kong market. Oh, gross, boy. Look at the water color. I be watching y'all people and y'all, some of y'all just be throwing y'all seafood right into water. I don't know how y'all do that.
I said, girl, we're marinating that shit in water. Ooh, you got some, bro. Ooh, you got the seasoning too. Much.
Alright, now that your shrimp is prepped and cooked, you need to get your seasonings. So this right here is lemon, this green pepper, there's some oranges, celery stock. Make sure you cut all this. This will be going into the pot, which you will be putting into a bowl. Yeah, I'll be showing y'all how to get into that. But yeah, all this basically is just gonna drop into the pot for the seafood. This part really simple. You just cut your stock. You'll just be cutting off everything. You'll cut your onions and your oranges in half really once you squeeze it into the pot to make your stock. But I'll show y'all next thing. Alright, once you cut up your celery, your oranges, and your green peppers, that really be all until you put it into the stock of your pot. Make sure you drop it into the pot. You cut it in half and you squeeze it into that to make your stock. Once it all come to a boil, that's when you'll be putting your shrimp in that. After that, it really gets simple after that, because shrimp don't take that long to make. It cooks in like 10 minutes. If you cook it too long, it'll become chewy. Don't overcook your shrimp. But always make sure you clean and prep your shrimp. A lot of y'all just be dropping your shrimp inside the pot before you clean it off. And that's nasty, because if I could have showed y'all how this looks, like you see the watercolor, and this is after me dropping it for like 5-6 times. But yeah, shrimp is truly dirty. And I'll get back to y'all once I show y'all the pot coming to a boil. My brother decided to help me cook in the kitchen. This is Luke. This is my brother, my adopted brother, for those who don't know. I haven't really talked about my family side on the whole YouTube spectrum, maybe in another video, but yeah. This here is just your oranges, your green pepper, your onions, and your celery. This is everything we cooked up to make this stock. I'm finna marinate my shrimp for 30 minutes with some seasonings. I'll be showing y'all what seasonings I use. I really can't give y'all no exact measurement, because I mean, we don't really cook with measurements. You really just gotta know. But I mean, I'll try to be precise as possible for y'all, at least by giving y'all the seasonings. But yeah, I'll show y'all that. Can you look for the cayenne pepper for me? I need that. All right, seasoning wise, it's really simple. You're gonna have to get your hands a tad bit messy, but you're just gonna let this sit for a little bit. Just marinate it. Be careful, because some of the, like, it could become kind of hard. It could cut you a look like that. Boom. Oh, no, I didn't get cut. All right, just be careful sometimes, because it could be pretty sharp. But yeah, just get to marinating. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit. It's cayenne pepper, right?
Can't fit both of y'all.
Get the pot, really. You go put a couple bay leaves inside your pot. Drop them. Just be real precise.
Make sure you get all that juice in there too. That's all that orange juice and all that lemon. Yeah, that's straight.
Alright. Once that comes to a boil, put a little. Oh, now you can get me. You go put a little garlic in there, a little onion. You need Old Bay. I forgot to tell y'all that. You need some Old Bay seasoning. But yeah, once that get to boiling, I'll come back to y'all and show y'all that too. Okay, now that your stuff is starting to come to a boil, it should be looking like this. Stir it. And you're gonna be adding your seafood ball into the pot. You can choose to add hot sauce if you like. I personally put hot sauce in mine. I prefer Tabasco, but for today's sake, we only got Crystal. I'm cooking 4 pounds of crawfish, so you really just gotta make. I'm cooking 4 pounds of shrimp, so you really just gotta know which flavors how much you really need. I can't be too precise, but you'll know. You'll know where it's too much. It's too much. Maybe in the descriptions I have the exact measurements for y'all. Okay. Now that that's almost pretty much done for, we gonna come over here. And now it's time for you to prep your sausage and your corn. This is gonna be getting thrown into the pot with your seafood. Alright. Okay, the ingredients you'll be needing 3 onions. Make sure you cut up 3 onions, 2 bell peppers. You go sprinkle some minced garlic into the pot. You drop some Zatarain, shrimp, and crab ball inside your pot. You go do that and sprinkle some mixed garlic inside there. A little bit more. Okay, that should be good. And a little bit more Crystal, because we like ours spicy over here. And we need the minced garlic. I really say just 2-3 spoonfuls of minced garlic. Not no big spoonfuls. You really just need a normal. Yeah, you really just, dang, it's not even open. But yeah, look over that. So we cutting up more onion because we need 2 more onions and we're gonna order.
Here, throw this in the pot.
Alright, drop your onions into the pot. They should be looking just this big. You ain't gotta cut them small. Just drop them. Once you do that, I ain't really got a measuring cup. So get a cup. And you gonna be putting your crab ball into that.
You said a little bit of salt? You said a little bit of salt?
Yeah, I already know. Oh. So you think throwing it was smart?
Hey,
Look, he dropped one, said it was hot, and then decided to throw the rest
while
we was here.
traumatized me, man. Good game.
Alright. Last step now is really just your minced garlic. Just since I told y'all don't do too much, since I got a big spoon I'm using over here, I'ma just do 1.5 to be on this. Now it's off now for your sausage and your corn. I like to cut my corn in half. I don't know. Y'all don't have to, but I cut mine in half. And this is gonna be getting dropped into the pot as long with the sausage. Alright, recording. Alright, you gonna be cutting cut your corn up. I like to cut mine in 2s. You could cut them in 3s. I choose to cut mine in 2s. Just cut it in half. It's gonna get dropped into your pot. You're gonna be doing this with your shrimp, and You just go put this inside the pot with your potatoes. Be careful, because the pot hot, you don't want it to all just splatter on you. But yeah, just do this. And after this, put your potatoes in. I haven't cut up my potatoes yet, but you need to do your potatoes. Yeah, after that, it's really gonna be simple after here. After here, it's really when it's just easy. Cause you ain't really gotta season nothing no more. All the natural seasonings just go all absorb the flavor. Make sure you stir. Should be looking like this. Yeah. All right. We dropped the potatoes and everything in there. I'm trying to show y'all potato. Okay, yeah. It's the size of the potatoes. We dropped the potatoes in there along with the corn. So yeah, that's really everything. This is just the potatoes, the corn, and the sausage right here. Let this cook for about 15, 20 minutes. Not really even that. Really, I won't say 10. 10 minutes, and then after that, you go drop your shrimp. But you got to be careful with shrimp, because shrimp cook fast, and you don't want to overcook your shrimp. Okay, it's all coming to a boil now. It's all really all done. Now you're going to be dropping the shrimp that I told you to marinate inside of the pot. Drop it in the pot. And you're going to let it sit. Let it cook. Let it cook for like, set a timer for 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Alright, cover your pot to keep all of the, like, I guess you want to say flavors. It's gonna like kind of steaming a little bit. It's gonna make your stuff taste way better than what it is by just letting all of the gases and aromas come outside the pot. Make sure you trap them inside there. And now back onto the sauce. So, okay, so back onto the sauce. You gonna melt your butter. Once you melt your butter, you gonna put minced garlic in there. You could use any type of seafood sauce. Preferably, I like to use, it's like sweet chili sauce. But we don't have it here. And I'm not finna go to the store and buy any. So, this is how we looking for right now. Okay, now, the butter is starting to come to a broil. After that, you go just drop, you go get your minced garlic. You're gonna wanna burn your minced garlic a little bit, but it actually takes a while to burn minced garlic. But it should be looking like this. You're gonna wanna put a little bit more minced garlic than this. I'm gonna show y'all more. But, yeah. So yeah, once all that starts burning, it's really gonna be simple from now on. You just go put your sauce in there. You're gonna put a little onion powder, a little garlic, and it's really good. Like, it gives your seafood a better taste. If y'all ever had like juicy crab, it's kind of how they do it. It's gonna be just like that. I ain't got no fancy bags to show y'all and none of that, but it's just how we do it. So your seafood should still be broiled. It should be basically done now. You could turn off your pot. Watch all the steam that's gonna come out. So we're done now. Turned it off the pot. And now all your seafood cooked. I'm gonna let it all sit for a little bit because I don't like my potatoes hard. Some people just be dropping them in there. I let the potatoes sit for a little bit. Let all this marinate. But yeah, we really done. Food sauce to the pot. Put a decent amount. It's all gonna just all come together once it all starts boiling a little bit more. And this here really just your sauce. This is just what you got top your seafood with. Let it marinate a little bit. Alright, if you want your stuff to look like juicy crab, you're gonna put a bag over your pot. You just gonna put a bag over your pot. And from here, you just drop your food in there, drop a little juice in there. Come over here to the sauce. If you want it to be better, don't put as much juice, then you put sauce. Drop your sauce in there. And it should all just come together. And you can eat yours with a boiled egg if you like, or however you want to eat yours. But it's hot, so I can't really just show y'all. But there go your crawfish, bro. I mean, your shrimp broth, sorry. But thank you. Alright, the shrimp broth is not done. It all should be looking like this. But yeah, I really don't know what y'all like from me, but I'm trying to come back and be more active for y'all. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, shout out, go tell a friend, do anything, and I'll catch y'all on another video. We out. I love y'all.
Tell my bro roll a wood. We gon' spark that shit up, it's gon' take all the pain away. I'm stuck in my past.